Hey Kelowna, Dr. Jenkins here with Lighthouse Chiropractic and Integrative Health. We're a premier chiropractic, massage, and kinesiology clinic in the Landmark District in Kelowna. And I wanted to take a minute to put together this video to talk about our BackSense program. This fall, what we're going to do is we're going to be partnering with the City of Kelowna again. This will be our 5th year running this program. And what we do is we take a group of people through basically the really advanced posture-based mirror image and strengthening exercises that we prescribe our patients in the office to correct their posture, help their back pain, and beat their neck pain. So we've had people go through this program and beat sciatica, beat headaches, not to mention a host of other back problems. We do it very, very scientifically. We take a digital posture scan on the first night that we show up. It's a tool that we use in the office. I sit down with our kinesiologist. We prescribe you very specific exercises. You start working on those, and we coach you through those 4 weeks of the program. So by the time we get to the last week and we do a repeat measure, we will see some really neat progression. If that at all resonates with you, then click on the registration button here. You'll be taken to the Parkinson Rec guide and the registration portal through the city. There is a small fee. Again, you'll see that fee is not very much for the amount of time that you get our professionals, including myself. So you're going to get a really amazing deal, but we just really want to help you guys break through some barriers that you maybe thought never were possible. So we look forward to having you in the course, and it's just going to be an amazing fall.